front of me is SONY Xperia 10 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this smartphone. You need to begin by locating calendar and tapping on it. Then click on this icon at the bottom right corner, choose Got It, and finally click on the month above. Over here you need to pick a date by clicking on it and then create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner. From here choose event and adjust it however you want to. For example, add the title over here. Then pick starting hour and ending one. If you wish to, you can always disable this feature as well by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Now tap on the does not repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example every month. If you don't, just set up does not repeat. Now you can add people, videos, set up add location over here, choose while using the upper only this time, then type in an address and click on the correct result. After that, you can also set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before your event, change color of it, take notes and even add attachments. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see after that, my event was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, you need to tap on it and click on this pen icon at the top right corner. Then make your changes and discard them by choosing this X icon at the top left corner, or save them by choosing save at the top right one. If you wish to get rid of your event completely though, you need to click on it, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, select delete from this list and tap on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!